Hi, I'm Joanne. I'm with Vista Sotheby's International Real Estate. Welcome to 2404 Marshallfield Lane. I'm thrilled to be presenting this sleek and stylish townhome in Redondo Beach. As you enter the contemporary double doors, you're greeted by high ceilings with a modern staircase. The kitchen features a clean, crisp shaker cabinetry with quartz countertops and a fresh take on subway tile backsplash. Across from the island is the dining area, which can seat anywhere from 6 to 12 people. As you get to the top of the stairs, to your right you'll see the bonus room or flex room, and it's highlighted by a reclaimed barnwood sliding door and a stacked stone fireplace along with a beverage center. The two spacious bedrooms feature vaulted ceilings. The master ensuite features a dual sink vanity with a huge walk-in shower with pebble flooring. The master retreat also features its own balcony, which overlooks the lush and private backyard. I'm Joanne. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own this beautiful home in the South Bay, just minutes from the beach, with award-winning schools, world-class shopping and dining. Thank you.